Today I'm making s'mores ice cream. First I'm going to make the graham cracker crumbs that are going to go into the ice cream, so I'm going to crush up 1 sleeve of graham crackers. Next in a bowl I have the crushed up graham crackers and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Then I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Next I'm going to add the graham cracker mixture onto a lined baking sheet and spread it out and then bake it at 350 for 10 minutes. Next I'm going to make the ice cream base, so I have a large bowl. I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. Then I'm going to add 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Then I'm going to mix that up until stiff peaks form. Next I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and fold that in. Now I have a loaf pan. I'm going to add half the ice cream mixture into the loaf pan and spread it out. Next I'm going to add some dollops of marshmallow fluff. Next I'm going to add the graham cracker crumbs that I made earlier. Then I'm going to add some mini chocolate chips. Next I'm going to add the rest of the ice cream mixture and spread it out. Then I'm going to add more dollops of fluff. Then I'm going to add another layer of graham cracker crumbs. Next I'm going to sprinkle some more mini chocolate chips. Lastly, I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap and put it in the freezer for 8 hours before serving. Here's an up close look of the s'mores ice cream.